You look good in a harness. I haven't seen anybody look that good in a harness my entire life. Just saying. Looked up a mine on.
Hey guys, welcome back. So our rental boom lift has arrived. Yep. Our metal roofing has arrived. We are all strapped into our safety harnesses and we are ready to go.
Yeah, so we don't got much time. Just got here. We have an entire day to get this done. So we got to start with doing the, I guess, the valleys you can call them. Down the roof, got to do ice and water shield there, do a little bit of roofing underlayment,
yes,
and then all the metal. So yep, we got a day left to do, and that's all we got. So we got to get this thing done. Yes. A lot of work ahead of us, but we'll make it happen.
Yeah, we usually like to rent these machines over the weekend so that we can kind of like break the hours up. It didn't work out that way with when they had the machine available. So we've got today, and that's it. But yep, I think we can get it done. Yeah,
it's not too much, so we'll bang it out.
All right.
What else?
That's it. Let's go.
All right. All right, so we're off. We're gonna start the, I guess, the valley first. We're gonna start from down low and put our ice water shield and work our way up. So the reason why I'm going down low and going up, so when water sheds, just keeps on running down, it doesn't go underneath. How are you feeling?
A little bit nervous.
Are you?
Yeah, I like ladders better than this, I think. This thing makes me nervous.
You get used to it. I don't like it either.
I feel kind of pukey.
Really? That bad?
Yeah, that bad.
Oh. If she upchucks, guys, we won't show it. Promise. I'll let you know what happened though. You got it, girl. What the? I mean, come on.
Makes me nervous throwing stuff.
Well, throw it to me, not that way.
This is the hour, darkest place.
Next one. Come on, let's go.
The devil's maze. It's a good word. It will go
Alright guys, so it's day 2 of the metal roof install. We called the rental company so we could get another day. We had a lot of issues yesterday trying to get this thing over here level, I guess the base of it level, so we can boom up and out. So the alarm kept going off saying you're out of whack, can't go up any higher. So we had a lot of maneuvering to do. It was a complete and utter pain.
Yeah, it took us a while to get all set up just with the machine, so that we could actually work up there.
Yeah.
But we did get the ice and water shield on both sides as well as the roofing underlayment. And I apologize because the first side we were on, I don't even know what,
She was scared
if anything,
up there.
I got filming wise. I was uncomfortable. You're up in that and it's just the bucket or whatever it's called kind of just sways when you're up there. It's like being on a boat having it rock. And then every time that alarm would go off, I thought I was going to die.
No, we're fine. We're actually not that high. The problem is that we're on unlevel surface. That's
Yeah.
what it is. That's the entire issue. That's why that alarm goes off. So
But by the time that side was done and we got to the other side, I felt better.
yeah.
So we got that taken care of, and now we're ready to pre-drill the sheets of metal roofing and get that installed. So
Yeah, rock and roll. We'll get it done today, hopefully.
we said that yesterday.
I know, because we ain't renting for another day. I know that.
No, that's for sure.
So
Yeah, so it's go time.
yep, let's go.
All right.
So these are closures right here. They're actually gonna go under this panel right here. The roof starts at going up. It's gonna slide underneath like that. What it does, keeps bugs out and pests and all that good stuff. But what we found easiest is to get this panel up first, square it up, screw it down so it's in place, slide the first one underneath, and then once we get that pattern having it square, we can go ahead and then take these off and put them down first, then do the metal panel next. All right, guys, with the valley flashing installed, the panels are up all the way to there. We're actually on the A-frame side going that way, and it's taking a lot longer than planned, and this sucks.
Yeah.
My opinion.
Yeah, it does. We're definitely feeling like we are in a time crunch, but it is what it is. There's just a lot of time consumed going up and down.
Yes.
And like repositioning the machine and custom fitting the pieces to, go along the valley. So it's taking a little bit of time.
I grossly underestimated how long it's going to take.
Yeah. Yeah, he was
Grossly.
like, we're going to rock and roll on this.
Yeah, it didn't happen. It's what it is, so.
Yep, so we've got, like Josh had said, we have this portion done. This is new panels that we got for the dormer. The panels from the A-frame, those are the same panels that we had previously used. We saved those and are able to reuse them for this portion. And the reason that you see us not drilling, I guess I should say, into the ridges on the panels is because the manufacturer for our metal roofing, his instructions are for us to drill them into where we're drilling them into.
Yeah, flat spots.
Right, the flat area. So I know that that's different for everybody depending on like where in the world you are. For us, that's where we're supposed to put our screws at. So we are following manufacturer instructions to not void the warranty. We've said this in previous videos, but any video that we do roofing and we don't mention it, we get a whole bunch of comments about it. So I figured we would just nip that in the butt real quick, or the bud. Right?
Right.
All right.
Easy.
Okay.
What else?
It's time to keep going.
All right.
No time for chit chat.
Now.
Put your hands in the air.
Say what? This scares Aaron a little bit. You okay? Look, your hands, bud.
So everything on the backside of the dormer roof and the A-frame is done. Everything that's up high, that is. There's one sheet that kind of goes around the skylight, but we can reach that with the ladder, so we're gonna come back to that.
Yeah, we're just trying to focus on everything with the lift as of right now.
Yes, because we're in a time crunch.
Yeah, it's going to get dark real quick. So.
Yeah.
So we're going to go on this side, put the valley up, and set the panels and see how far we can get done.
Yep.
All right. Yes, how you got, girl. So we conceded, we lost the fight. They're picking the lift up tomorrow morning. We did not get done.
Nope.
What a shame.
Yeah, it's pretty disappointing.
Yeah, it sucks.
But it is what it is, and I don't know. I mean, we're gonna have to get the lift back here anyways to get these windows in the front of the dormer.
Yep, and that's gonna be here in a couple weeks, so. Right?
So, yeah.
Yeah, a couple weeks. So we'll get the lift again in a couple weeks. We'll get it for a weekend next time, and we'll put those lights in, put the windows in, and then do the roofing all one weekend.
Yeah, so that'll be the next battle. Can we do the windows and the roofing in one weekend?
All we're doing is screwing those in, so yeah, we'll make it happen. So we are dried in. If it rains, the way we have the underlayment up, it's just gonna pour off and come down. No issues. It shouldn't leak inside the house, so we're fine.
That's the important part.
To leave it off, so not a big deal. It does. It's definitely
disappointing.
Hurts. Yeah, it's disappointing.
We didn't make the progress that we wanted to, but it happened. So
yep,
it'll be all right.
What else?
I guess that's it.
All right.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Yep. See ya.